Here we are, the big supermarket.
Wow, it is very big.
Yes. We need to buy food for the week.
Do we have the shopping list?
Yes, I have it.
Ooh, give it to me. I am a great shopper. Okay, team, let's go inside.
I will sit in the cart.
No, Jack. You are too big for the cart.
First, we need apples and bananas.
Look at all this fruit, Jack. Which ones do you like? I like bananas. Here are the bananas, Mom.
Thank you, Jack. Good job.
We need carrots and potatoes, too. Where are the potatoes?
They are right behind you, Tom.
Oh. Yes. I see them now.
Mom. Dad. Look. Candy. So much candy. I want candy.
No candy today, Jack. We have desserts at home.
Just one small candy? Please?
No, Jack. Tom, stay here with Jack. I will get milk.
Okay, Zoe. Wow! Look at this big cheese!
Maybe just look at the candy. I will not eat it.
Okay, I have the milk. Where is Jack?
Jack? He is right here. Oh. He is not here.
Tom? You lost Jack?
I didn't lose him. He was here.
Jack! Jack! Where are you?
Don't panic, Zoe. He is in the supermarket.
We need to find him now.
Mom? Dad? Where are you? I am lost. The supermarket is too big. Mom said, if you are lost, find a worker. Excuse me. Can you help me?
Yes, little boy. What is wrong?
I am lost. I cannot find my mom and dad.
Don't be scared. We will find them. Okay, Jack. Come with me to the desk. Attention, please. We have a lost boy named Jack. Tom and Zoe, please come to the front desk.
Listen. I hear his name.
That is Jack. Let's run. Jack? There you are, Mom. Dad, I was lost.
We are so happy to find you.
I found a worker, like you said. You are a very smart boy. Thank you for helping him. You are welcome. Keep him close.
I will hold his hand now.
Do we have everything on the list? Let me check.
Oh, I lost the list.
It is okay. I remember the list.
That will be $50, please. Time to pay. Here is my card.
Dad, can we go home now? I am tired.
Yes, we are going home.
No more running away, okay?
Okay, I promise.